All right, what's up everybody? Short little video today. As the weather's been getting colder, I've noticed that my serpentine belt on my Z has been squeaking a lot more, and it's really annoying. Right in the morning when I start and it's really cold, it'll squeak for 10 seconds and go away, and maybe it'll even squeak if you crank the wheel hard or something. But I'm going to show you how to adjust the tensioner on the belt and just tighten it up so it won't squeak anymore. It's really simple. This will work on the 350Z, G35, Infinities, anything with the 3.5 VQ. So I'm going to jack the car up because it's easier to see from underneath the car, and I'll show you guys exactly how to just tighten it up and fix it. All right guys, so what you're going to need for doing this is just a 14 socket, a 12 socket, and like a ratchet, and that's really all you need for this. So with the 14, what you're going to want to do is right there, that pulley that I'm zoomed in on right there, that nut, just loosen that nut right there just a little bit. All right, so after this is loose, as you can tell, the bolt is loose up there. All you gotta do is this 12 mil right here, just tighten that up, and that will put tension on the belt. And once that's tension, just do it a little bit, feel the belt out, make sure it feels good, and then tighten that 14 back up there. All right, so I just spun it a couple times, and as you can tell, it's much tighter. I'm gonna do it a little bit more, but you don't want it too tight, but that's pretty good. Probably just do one more turn, and then when it's where you want it, just tighten up that 14, and that's all you have to do. All right, so I got a nice tension here, tightened up the 14, and that's it. That's all you gotta do. I'm gonna start it up, and we'll see if it squeaks. As you can tell, it's running nice and quiet, and it's not squeaking at all. So hopefully this helped your basically VQ owners out. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you like videos like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for watching.